front of me is Samsung Galaxy S9 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply a Rosemary font. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Display. Then tap on Font Size and Style after scrolling down as well. And click on Font Style. If you don't have Rosemary font already over here, click on Download Fonts and tap on this icon next to Rosemary one. Then go back and to apply it, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!